Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
Why only 10 people I can see on the meeting, in the meeting? Ananya? Is Ananya there?
No, sir.
Very good. Ananya is okay. Priyanka, Ridha, Prajwal, Yashash, Bhargav, Bhushan not there today. Keshav also not there.
Sir, Bhushan is not there.
In the chemistry class as well. Physics class also.
Sir, his internet went out.
His internet is not working.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
physics class, everyone were there.
Bhushan came. Now I was telling you, anybody is there from NCFE school?
Sir, I'm there.
Who are you? Name tell please.
Sir, Bhargav.
Ha, Bhargav. So when I think you have maths exam on Tuesday.
Yes, sir.
So when I should do revision? When I should start revision?
Sir, I think you can start from tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, something.
What
yeah,
is
because.
because
Yeah, so then we won't have a class on. Yeah, we'll have it on tomorrow and day after, and then we'll have it on Monday.
What
so
is your portion?
Sir, relations and functions and trigonometric equations and ratios.
Relation, function, trigonometric identity, trigonometric equation.
Yes, sir.
Sets?
No sets, sir.
Okay. So we were doing today limits. Sorry, in last class we were doing limits. So we'll continue with R.D. Sharma questions. Okay. Any doubt in homework, Sam?
Yes, sir.
What doubt?
Sir, the last one you gave.
Sir, yes, sir. In the last one, I got two answers. One is infinity and one is one.
Which one?
Sir, I only got infinity.
Read the question.
Sir, limit x tends to infinity. X bracket root of x square plus 1 minus root of x square minus 1.
Limit x tends to, you tell me how did you do this sum?
Sir, I have a doubt whether the flower bracket is fractional part.
No.
No, okay, then
Why it will be fractional part? I have told you before also, whenever any bracket represent fractional part or greatest integer, they will mention, otherwise how you can take for granted this is a flower bracket, curly bracket. They will mention, student, in the question that it represents fractional part. Now tell me, you put infinity here, what you will get? In the place of x, substitute infinity. How much?
Sir, we can't define it, sir. We can't define
How much
it.
you tell the answer? Don't tell define or not define.
Sir,
Will you not
infinity minus infinity, sir.
Infinity minus infinity. This is the form infinity minus infinity. And you know that infinity minus infinity is also indeterminate form. Whenever you get infinity minus infinity, you change it to 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. I will tell 2 times. Like one day you asked me that whether we are going to do other indeterminate form also, because most of times we are doing 0 by 0, infinity by infinity. Now this is a particular sum where we are getting infinity minus infinity. Infinity minus infinity is also indeterminate form. So the rule is, I will write the rule here. When we get infinity minus infinity form, then what is the approach? Change it to what? Infinite 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. Student, we know how to solve which form? 0 by 0 or what? No answer.
Sir, We use the 1 by x form. Like the 1
that
by
is there. No, first listen to me. Whenever infinity minus infinity is there, change it to 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, and then proceed. Copy down this note. When we have infinity minus infinity form, change it to 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, and then solve the question. Shall I solve the answer? Shall I erase the board? Shall I write again?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can erase the board.
Now what happened? This is infinity by infinity. Now tell me how to change it to 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form. How to change?
Sir, I didn't do like that. I directly rationalized.
So what you are doing same thing. When you rationalize it, it will become 0 by 0, infinity by infinity. By not knowing also, you did the same thing, but we should be aware what we are doing. You rationalize here, automatically it will change to infinity by infinity form. We'll see how. See, without awareness also you did the same thing, which is the correct method. We will rationalize. But x a whole, what we are doing, we are changing it to 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form. Rationalize. So square root x square plus 1 plus square root x square minus 1, square root x square plus 1 plus square root x square minus 1. Two terms means put bracket. Here it is 1. Tell me what I should write now. I can use a minus b into a plus b. Tell fast. X square plus 1 minus x square
plus 1 minus x square plus 1.
Denominator x square plus 1 plus x square plus 1 minus 1.
Sir.
And then plus x square minus x square 0. So what you got now? Limit x tends to infinity. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 into x, 2x by, I think the other boy was, what is your name, other boy? One is Bhushan, one is, I think, okay, I forgot the name, Himanshu. So now see here, Himanshu, suppose Himanshu, put infinity now, what you will get? In the place of x, put infinity. Which form you will get now? In the place of x, put
infinity by infinity.
So now see, you change the infinity minus infinity form to infinity by infinity. Now we know how to do the sum in which we get infinity by infinity form. What to do? Divide by the, what is the approach? Divide by what?
X.
Highest power of x. So what is the
X.
highest power? X. So divide, no need of writing. Is there need of writing or shall I divide directly?
Sir, you can divide directly.
2x by x, and here x square plus 1 by, see, if you divide by x,
square.
if you divide by x, in the square root, the x will become, inside the square root, x will be written as what?
Become x square.
X square. Most of you don't know. That's why the reason I'm putting stress. Now tell me how to do. So now we know x tends to infinity is same as 1 by x tends to 0. X cancel. Even this will get cancelled. This will also get cancelled. Let me do one more step. Limit 1 by x tends to 0. 2 by 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1 minus 1 by x square. 1 by x is 0. 1 by x square is how much, student?
Is also tending to 0.
Then how you are getting two answers then?
So we can factorize further, right?
2, then what you'll get here? 2 by 2.
No, sir. We should consider various roots of 1, right? We can consider minus 1 plus 1.
That way you did. But why?
Yes, sir, because of right.
What is the value of square root of 4? How many answers?
Sir, 2 and minus 2.
So many times I told now, square root is always positive.
Sir, but here it's a variable function, right?
Square root of 4 is 2. Don't say it is minus 2 also. Square root of 4 is how much? 2 only na. Function means what? It is square root of 1. Here square root of 1. So what you will get? 2 by 2, 1 answer. If somebody asks you square root of 1, will you say 1 and minus 1?
Sir,
Tell me.
If they say x is equal to 1, then I'll say so. If they say directly square root of 1, then I can say only 1.
So it is square root of 1 only na, student. How much it is? 1 by x is 0.
Sir.
So square root of 1 only na. Any doubt, student? Any doubt, Bhushan?
No doubt, sir.
Easy sum now only. Even you don't know that infinity minus infinity has to be first changed to infinity by infinity. Your approach was correct. Rationalize. But the thing is, you have to convert into infinity by infinity or 0 by 0, whatever is there, and then start doing the sum. Priyanka, what doubt you have, student?
Got it, sir.
Got it. You didn't do before? Did you not do before this sum?
No, sir. I was stuck in between.
But it is straightforward now. Where is the place to stuck? Where you got stuck? Tell me.
So after that step, like after the second last step.
After here.
Yeah, after that.
But it was taught now how to approach infinity limits, divide by the highest power. And there are so many sums in RD Sarma. I am not doing all the sums. Few sums I am doing. Like there are 20 sums means I am doing 2 sums. That is the proportion. Do the remaining sum. I can only teach how to do.
Sir,
Huh.
I'm sorry to ask this very lately. I have a doubt from NCRT.
Ask.
Can I ask
Limits.
question number 30?
I don't have a book. You
Yes, sir.
read the
Limits
sum.
only.
In this particular sum, anybody has doubt, ask me. 30 sum, read out. From NCRT, 30 sum, 30th sum. Read out, student.
Hello, sir. If f of x is equal to
If f of x is equal to
mod of x plus 1, if x is less than 0,
if x is less than 0,
is f of x is equal to 0 if x is equal to 0.
This is easy sum.
F of no, sir, 1 minute. It's not mod x plus 1. It is mod of x plus 1. And f of x is equal to mod of x minus 1 if x is greater than 0. We have to find limit of a, limit of x tends to a. Like we have to find the value for which limit x tends to a of the function exists.
Read the sum. Find the
For what value of
find the for what value of a does the limit
of
x tends to a f of x exist? Is this the question?
yes, sir. This is the
Almost this is the question now.
question. Yes, exactly.
Ha,
Exactly, sir.
Okay. So other people copied this question. This is NCRT 30th sum. F of x is defined in a different way. F of x is equal to mod x plus. Tell me.
So is it a doesn't equal 0?
That is the answer. So f of x is equal to mod x plus 1 if x is less. Okay. So I copy down, then I will teach. See,
So,
tell
should
me.
we use LHL and RHL concept only here also?
So wait, I'll teach. Now what happened? This function is non-uniformly defined. It don't have a single answer. F of x value is mod x plus 1 if x is less than 0. F of x value is 0 if x is 0. F of x value is mod x minus 1 if x is greater than 0. So this function f of x is non-uniformly defined. It depends on x, the value. Now the question is, suppose I want to find limit x tends to a f of x. Now what should be the value of a so that this limit exists? What should be the value of a so that the limit exists? That is the question. What all value a can take so that the limit exists? Now a can take many values, infinite values. A is real number now. A can take many values. Now how to know that at which value limit answer will come, at which value limit will not exist? Now what happened, if you see carefully, this function is differently defined, or at x is equal to 0 only. The problem in this function is 0 because when x is less than 0, this function is same way defined, mod x plus 1. And when x is 0, it is 0. X is greater than 0, it is mod x minus 1. Means the function is different way defined only when x is equal to 0. So this type of sum, you only have to check at 0 whether this function has limit or not. Other point, obviously it will have limit, because you use common sense also. Is it possible to check the limit at each and every point? We cannot check, because a can take any value. There's so many value. Only the doubt will be at 0. We can write directly this function for what value of a? For all values of a, limit exists. That is one option. But doubt can arise only at 0, because 0 the function is changing. So let us check only at 0. Other points we can take for granted that limit will exist. So at 0 only we will check. Quite possible at 0 also limit exists, but we will check then also. So the point is only we will check the limit at 0. Other places we will take for granted that limit exists. So now answer. Now, if we are checking the function limit at 0, can we find directly limit x tends to 0 f of x? Is it possible to find directly this answer? Limit x tends to 0 f of x. Limit x tends to 0. In the place of f of x, what to write? We cannot write, because x can be little less than 0 or x can be little more than 0. That time the value of f of x will change. So one thing is very clear, we cannot find the limit directly, but we have to find the limit. So now we will, in order to find the limit, we will find left hand limit separately, right hand limit separately. Okay, left hand limit. Limit x tends to 0 minus x is little less than 0 f of x. When x is little less than 0, what is the f of x value? Mod x plus 1. Now x is how much, student?
0.
0 only, but little less than 0 means 0 only. Put 0 here, what you will get? Mod 0 plus 1. How much is
1.
mod 0 plus 1? Student, mod 0 plus 1. 1. So left hand limit is 1. I will find right hand limit now. RHL. RHL means?
So it will be minus 1.
Limit x tends to 0 plus. X is more than 0, f of x. When x is, correct. When x is more than 0, f of x value will be mod x minus 1. But as a whole, x is 0 only. Little more than 0 means also 0 only. So put 0, what will get? Mod 0 minus 1. So you'll get minus 1. Now left hand limit is 1, right hand limit is minus 1. So you only tell me, does limit exist as 0? LHL is not equal to RHL.
Doesn't exist.
Therefore, limit x tends to 0, f of x does not exist. Does not exist. This means the question is, for what value of a the limit exists? So limit x tends to a, f of x exists for all, how to write? For all real number except 0. Is this the right way to write?
Sir, can we write it as real values?
Real values means real number only na. Limit x tends to a exists for
Will
all.
be more better.
Limit x tends to a, f of x exists for all real values of a except a not equal to 0. Okay, except a is equal to 0 na. Except a is equal to 0. Himanshu, what doubt you have? Bhushan?
Yes, sir.
Doubt is there.
No.
Other places will take for granted. If you find limit also, it will exist only. But problem only comes where the break is there. Breaking point, we will check usually. Girls, do you have doubt? Ridha? Ridha?
Sir, then,
No, sir, no doubt.
but then even if you put like x tends to 2, you won't get the same values, RHL, LHL.
We don't get same
Yes, sir.
value?
Yeah, you will get one value as
No.
value was 2.
You are telling correct. It is my duty to tell you now. You are telling correct only. Now tell me, child, limit x tends to 2, f of x. Shall I find directly or shall I find left hand limit, right hand limit?
So you have to find directly.
Directly only now. When x is little less than 2 or more than 2, f of x has same value or different value?
So a lot different.
Hey, when x is little more than 2 or little less than 2, f of x has different value or same value?
Same.
No, you tell different. I will teach you how.
So how?
How? Very good. So you tell me again. Keshav will tell me what is f of x value. Actually, I remember also. F of x is mod x plus 1 when
mod x
is
plus 1.
less than 0. 0 when x is equal to 0. And when x is it more than 0 less than 0, student?
Less than 0 only, sir.
Now when x is more than 0, anything more than 0. When x is anything more than 0, f of x value is what? Mod x minus 1. So x is 2. Anything more than 0 means this one in a student.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Anything more than 0. So if I say, see here, if you can find directly only answer. So you can write mod x minus 2. So what you will get? Mod 2 minus 1. So you will get 1. But if you find LHL and RHL, then also you will get 1 only. But the problem is in LHL, you will take the same function. When x is little less than 2, then also it is more than 0 only now. So you will take the same function. And more than 0 also you will take same, more than 2 also you will take same function. Are you understanding?
Understood, sir. Yeah.
Understood. Good. That time you will not take different function now. But because x is more than 0, anything, same answer. Same function.
I didn't understand exactly.
Who?
Me, Priyanka, yeah.
What is the doubt? Tell me again.
So like both LHL and RHL would be different, right?
Very good. So let us
So
find
like,
LHL. Only Priyanka will give the answer. Limit. What is right, Priyanka? Tell me.
Okay, limit x tends to 0 minus.
0 minus y. We are finding limit at 2 now.
Okay, yeah. So 2.
Tell me.
2 minus.
Suppose you are doing mistake, no problem. I also do mistake now. So 2 minus f of x. So what is f of x value?
Mod x plus 1.
Because x is little less than 2. When x is less than 2, f of x value is mod x plus 1. Are you saying that?
Yes.
Are you saying that?
Yes, sir.
How? When is f of x value mod x plus 1? When x is?
Less than 0.
So 2 minus means less than 0 or more than 0?
Okay, more than 0.
Are you sure that shall I teach?
Yes, sir. Okay.
2 minus means what, student?
So more than 0.
2 minus means it will be very close to 2. It will be 1.99999999999, something near 2. But is it less than 0?
No, I thought it's negative kind of like, yeah.
Not negative. 2, no. In the beginning only it is taught. You have to a little bit revise more. 2 minus means not minus 2, student. Is it? Does this 2 minus represent minus 2?
No.
No. 2 minus means little less than 2. In the beginning only I was teaching, I gave this, I explained what is 2 minus. 0 plus means little more than 0. 2 minus means little less than 2. 2 plus means little more than 2. So 2 minus means little less than 2. It is not like minus 2. So a little less than 2 means 1.999. So what is the function of f? What is the value of f of x then?
Mod x minus 1.
Mod x minus 1. So in the place of x, what I should substitute?
2.
2 only. Little less than 2 means 2 only now. Anybody has any doubt, ask me. Otherwise, these doubts will be pending. And then you will not understand. Now only you ask. Okay, if I find right hand limit also. So right hand limit means limit x tends to 2 plus. 2 plus means little more than 2. Not the positive 2 and negative 2. More than 2 means what is the f of x value then? Again same. But it is good that you are asking. Otherwise, how you will understand? 2 minus 1. Again 1. See. But since the function is in same way defined for 2 minus and 2 plus, we can find directly now. This LHL and RHL will come in role when the function is differently defined. Are you understanding, Priyanka?
Yes, sir. I understand.
LHL RHL is same way define f of x. So no need of finding LHL RHL. But if you find also, same answer will come. Now what happened when I say limit x tends to 3 minus, this only means that x is little less than 3, very less than, close to 3 but little less than 3, and this means that we are finding left hand limit. This never means that x is minus 3. Minus 3 and these are different meaning only. Who has doubt? Himanshu, what doubt you have? Everything should be fully understood. Ask me some doubt if you have. Who has doubt? Priyanka?
Yes, sir. One. Yes, I have doubt between the pi and all that.
Okay, okay. No,
the
not
question.
this question. What doubt you have?
This question I don't have.
So
sir.
which
I
question you have
understood.
doubt?
So the 15th question from NCERT.
NCERT. Okay, tell the question.
Okay. It's limit x limit x tends to pi
Pi. Okay, pi.
and sine pi minus x
Sine of pi minus x
by pi
pi
minus x bracket.
pi
After
into.
pi, yeah, pi minus x, yeah.
You want to
Yes,
tell
sir.
how to do? More is there.
No, sir, it's done. Yes.
Tell me what to do. Which method to use? Shall we use rationalization, factorization, substitution? Which one?
In
So I think
substitution, we would get 0 by 0. So I don't-
So won't you get 2 by pi?
See, if we get 0 by 0, that is only good. We should get 0 by 0. Then only we can find limit now. If you don't get 0 by 0, then straightforward limit answer will come. 0 by 0 is only good. So which method to use?
substitution.
Substitution directly in x tends to pi. So what I should take, Priyanka, you tell me. What substitution I should take? Let pi minus x is equal to
A or anything.
y. Usually we say
H.
one girl told h method, madam told. This is not h method, but suppose let pi minus x is h. Now what is the new variable?
It's H.
Now don't want x. Now change the limit. When x tends to how much in the question? X tends to
Pi
pi. Then h tends to how much?
0.
X is pi means h is 0 now. So now the question will become limit h tends to 0. Priyanka, tell first what is right. Sine
H
h by pi
by pi H.
h. What is this value?
It's 1.
So what is the answer? Over now.
1
So
by
simple
pi.
question.
Okay. Yes, understood. Thank you.
If you get 0 by 0, that is only good. This is the direct formula. This formula I have used. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. Anybody else has doubt, please ask me. This is easy topic, but then also you need practice. Simply when I am teaching, you are learning. Then when I am teaching, then only you are learning. Limits means nothing will go in head. It comes with constant practice. You have book R.D. Sharma, NCERT. Become thorough at least in that.
Sir, sir, actually, when I saw the question, when pi minus x came, sir, as x tends to pi, that means pi minus x tends to 0. Directly we
That's
can
why x
substitute
tends to
that.
0 now.
Yes, sir. The other way around also we can do.
Directly you can do, you're saying.
Yes, sir.
Directly we can do, but then how many of you can understand directly if you do? You are a little more intelligent than you can understand, but this is the correct procedure, but even that way we can get answer, na student. You're telling correct, absolutely. But we should do by procedure only now. You're saying absolutely correct. Any other thing you want to say? Shall I raise the board?
Yes, sir.
What is the next question? So Bhushan have understood how to do the sums in which infinity minus infinity comes.
Sir, by doing one question, we can't understand, no, sir. We need multiple questions to understand.
To do infinity minus infinity.
Yes, sir. We did only one. That's homework question.
Change it to 0 by 0 na. Infinity minus infinity means, okay, you didn't understand that question.
Sir, I did, but by doing one question, we can't decide, right?
No, whenever infinity minus infinity comes, change it to infinity by infinity, then we can proceed. That is my point, what I'm saying. Have you not done more sums in that?
Understood, sir.
Hello? Infinity. Just check the additional book, you may get more question. Here I have this much only.
So,
Tell me. Tell me. Where is the
so
question?
next class will be revision. Hello, sir.
It quite probably will do revision.
So it's mandatory for everyone to attend.
Then what? Then I'll start teaching derivative also. Nobody has any doubt means what I should do. You be there, but you have some urgent work. Okay, next class I will bring more question on infinity
No, sir,
minus
I'm
infinity.
asking.
You have to be present. So everybody has to be present. Next class I will bring more question on infinity minus infinity. Meanwhile, you try some sums from R.D. Sharma and then we'll do next sum. Shall I do next sum now?
Yes, sir, you can.
Have I given one more question like this way? Limit x tends to minus infinity. Was this also homework? Square root 4x square minus 7x plus 2x. Was this homework sum?
No, sir, we did this already.
This is also infinity minus infinity, Malina student. Almost like that way. No.
Sir, we rationalized it and then we got stuck in this problem, sir.
No.
We got minus infinity, but the answer was 7 by 4.
No, there
Actually, we need to consider this.
there may be some mistake in the my copying the question, but I think
No,
this is
sir.
also.
Sir, this is the exact same question which you did. We should consider the second root of 4, sir.
That day we did a mistake.
Sir, we only considered a positive root. We didn't consider negative root.
Means?
Like, sir, we at the final answer we got minus 7 divided by square root of 4 minus 2. That time we considered the square root of 4 as 2 and we got minus 7 by 0.
Square root of 4 is 2 only now.
Sir, but we need to also you said the answer was 7 by 4. That time I was like minus 2 is also.
Square root of 4 is 2 only, student. Minus 2, no. So number that is correct only. There may be some mistake in the. I have copied the question wrong, but this is also infinity minus infinity type of question almost. Okay. This is also. Is it infinity minus infinity or infinity plus infinity?
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, I think we should consider minus 2, sir, because if we see if x tends to infinity, then we need to write 1 by x tends to 0 minus, right? That time we need to consider negative values also, right?
See, square root of 4 means there is no debate. It is 2 answer only. Let us do next question. Limit n tends to infinity 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 n into n plus 1 by n cube. Do this sum. It is not decimal, is into. Limit n tends to infinity 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4. Over. How to find this sum? Anybody knows? Priyanka, how to find the sum of this series? Suppose Sn, what is the formula of Sn? Girls, what is the formula of
So
Sn?
take limits. Take limits
n plus 1
separately.
by 2.
Sn formula is sigma Tn. If you do sigma Tn, you will get Sn. Okay, sigma Tn, then Sn will come. So what is sigma? What is Tn, student? What is general term here?
N.
N into n plus 1. You will more understand in sequence series chapter. But when you do sum of n terms, you will get. See, it is very simple now. If I say what is Sn, then you will say T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 plus T5 plus T6 plus Tn. If you add all the terms, will you not get Sn? You will get Sn. And this can be written in symbolic way. How? Symbolic, we can write sigma Tn, n changes from 1 to n. Correct, na? So whenever you find sigma Tn, that is same as Sn. Are you people understanding or not? Not understanding?
Yes, continue. I understood, sir.
So now what to do? We found, we did sigma of general term. So we'll get Sn because we have to find Sn only. Plus is there. Now limit n tends to infinity. Sigma, open the bracket, what you will get? N into n, n square plus n by n cube. Can I distribute the sigma? Can I distribute sigma?
Yes, sir, you can.
Sigma n square plus sigma n by n cube. What does sigma n cube, sorry, what does sigma n square represent? Sum of first n,
Terms, squares of n.
sum of square of first n natural number. What is the answer? What is the answer of sum of square of first n natural number? Anybody knows the answer?
Sir, n into n plus
N
1.
into n plus
2n
1.
plus 1.
If somebody don't know, miss, learn it. N into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. What is the sum of first n natural number? N into n plus 1 by 2. By denominator there was no sigma, so n cube only. Now tell me, student, this is limit is n tends to infinity. So what is the procedure? Divide by highest power of what?
N.
N. What is the highest power of n?
3.
N cube. We should divide by n cube. Limit n tends to infinity. Divide numerator and denominator. N plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6 and divide by what, student?
N into n into n.
N cube. Very good. We can do directly also. Plus n into n plus 1 by 2 n cube. This is the division in numerator. Division in denominator, n cube by n cube. Please ask me some doubt if you have. Divide in numerator and denominator by n cube because the highest power is 3. So n cube we have to divide. Now you should know how to divide now. What I will do? Limit n tends to infinity. Here, below this n I will write n. So we can do directly also. This is like very simple. N by n, 1 n went here. Oh, what I'm writing. So now it is like 1 by 6, n by n, n plus 1 by, we can do directly also, student, for few people only, so that they don't get confused. I'm writing this way. N, see, 3n means, n cube means 1 n I wrote below this, 1 n below this, 1 n below this. Here, n by 2n square, n plus 1 by n. No need of doing so detailed way. You can do directly also. And then n cube cancel 1. So now what will happen? Limit n tends to infinity means 1 by n tends to 0. 1 by 6, this will get cancelled. What I will get? Tell me, shall I do more step or shall I do directly? 1 plus 1 by n. Here, 2 plus 1 by n. Here, 1 by 2n. 1 plus 1 by n. Distribute the denominator by 1. 1 by n is 0. So, very silent today. Ask some doubt. 1 by n is 0 means what I should write? 1 by 6, 1 plus 0, 2 plus 0. And this is 0 means this will become 0 only. So 1 by 6 into 2, 1 by 3 is the answer. Ridha? Ridha? Ridha student?
Yes, sir.
Which point you didn't understand?
No, sir, I understood what you were telling.
The other day also I reminded you people, you have to do some sums from R.D. Sharma. I am doing only few sums. Today only 2 girls are there in the meeting. Priyanka, what doubt you have, student?
So just a minute, I'm just analyzing that.
Even you study in NCFE, NCM?
Sir,
No,
we
sir.
have chemistry exam tomorrow in NCFE. I think they went for revision for that, studying.
But Priyanka is there now.
So she's not from NCFE.
She also went.
So she's
No.
not there
Yes,
from NCFE.
KV, sir.
I'm from KV, sir.
Okay, KV DRDO, very good. Which section you are?
C.
C, very good. Who is your maths teacher? Sri Lata madam or somebody else?
No, sir, it's Mati Aligin, sir.
Before Sri Lata madam was there.
Yeah, I guess yes, sir.
She left the school only.
Yes.
Do you have 2 maths teacher or 1 maths teacher?
Sir, 2 of them, sir.
2 of them.
Both gents?
No, sir. One is female. Or is female. Prema ma'am is there.
Okay, now write down trigonometric limits. Trigonometric limits. First sum, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2x by x square. 1 minus cos 2x by x square. Trigonometric limits will do now some few sums. Tell me how to do this sum. Already clue is given, trigonometric limit. So we have to use the formula of trigonometry.
We can do
2 cos square x.
Very
we
good.
can
This,
take limit up separately, down
the
separately.
0 by 0 will come.
No. Sir, because there was a question.
Sir, is it 1?
No, I don't know the answer. Answer is 2. Now what happened? Okay, separately you can take, but answer will be 0 by 0. So no use of taking it separately. Okay. So now what happens, student? Will you get 0 by 0 or not? Bhushan. Bhushan.
Yes, sir. You will get, sir.
So now what to do? I told you in trigonometry, there's one formula which is very useful. What is that formula? 1 plus cos 2x, how much? This boy is telling correct. 1 minus cos 2x, how much?
Sir, 1 by 2, sorry.
2 sin square
2
x.
sin square x.
This is very useful formula. Now also you can remember it. So now this formula I will use. They will not say which formula to use. Trigonometric limit means use. They will not mention trigonometric limit also. 1 minus cos 2x, I can write 2 sin square x by x square. Anybody can tell what to do next? Which formula
Sir,
to use?
that will be 1.
Excellent. Sin x
Limit
by
of
x. Sin x by x whole square. Now I told you limit will go inside. So inside the bracket it will go. Sin x by x how much? Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x. How much?
1.
1. So 2 is the answer. Limit goes inside the bracket also. Inside the log also it goes. And take separately. I have already given the this notes I have given you. Like this is same as limit x tends to 0 g of f of x. Means I have given you g limit x tends to 0 f of x. Something like this way I gave you before. Function of function. This is one function called square function. Inside the limit is going. Any doubt, please ask me. And definitely you have to study trigonometric limit sums from R.D. Sharma or any book which you have. Why are you not purchasing previous year question papers? Most of you. In Amazon you can purchase now if it is there. Bhushan?
Sir, I didn't purchase.
Purchase is, it is useful. Like some people say 41 years paper will come for R.E. Hunt. Just check it is there or not.
Sir,
Huh.
sir, I have a doubt.
Ask.
Sir, 1 minus cos
Huh.
2x is equal to 2 sine square x, no, sir?
Huh.
Now, if we divide x in all sides, no, sir, if theta is small, no, sir, that time cos 2x will be equal to 1 minus 2 theta square, no, sir?
Okay. So you are saying that some we have to discuss again. Now see your limit x tends to 0.
No, sir, no, sir, no, sir, not that.
Okay, which sum
I'm
then?
asking 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sine square x.
2 sine square x.
Huh.
Huh.
So cos 2x I'll make positive so that cos 2x is equal to 1 plus 2
Tell
sine
again slowly. You tell
sir.
what you're saying. X is
So no, sir. Cos 2x is equal to 1 plus 2 sine square x, no, sir.
how? Okay, that side you'll go.
Yes, sir.
So we should write like this way. Limit x tends to 0. 1 minus bracket cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sine square x. Correct. Then what to do?
That time open the bracket, sir.
Open the bracket. So it will become minus 2 sine square x. Then
Then
plus
sir,
2 sine square x.
then what? Then you'll
Put
get
0.
0
So
only, no,
you
sir.
0 only now.
Yes, sir. Then what's the explanation here, sir?
0 only we are getting now. Here also 0 only.
No, sir. Okay.
That
Divided
time,
by x square. Sir,
that time
divided by.
denominator also was there now.
Yes, sir.
Did we
Okay,
took
yeah,
denominator?
I understood now, sir. I understood.
You told incomplete question. Then how will get same answer?
Sir,
Huh?
here are we supposed to divide it by sine cube x?
Now this sum. How to do this sum? Put 0. What you will get? 0 by
So
0.
we can divide the whole thing with sin x, no, sir.
We'll get answer.
Sine x.
Yes, sir. We'll get cos x minus 1 by sin square.
Do what to do now. So it is up to us how to do this sum. No idea. What is the answer? Answer is 1 by 2.
Yes, sir. We can divide the whole thing by sin x, sir.
Hmm.
That time we get 1 by cos x minus 1 divided by sin square x. Then we can simplify it and we can use transformation formula also.
Okay, we can do that way. Anybody knows the formula of sine cube x? Anybody knows the formula of sine cube x?
So from that sin 3x formula.
Then what?
3 sine.
Sine 3x is equal to, what is the answer? Sine 3x. 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube
4
x.
sin cube x.
From there you tell the sine cube x value.
Sin cube x is equal to
3 sine x minus sine
Minus
3x by
sin
4.
by 4.
Is it correct?
It's sine 3x minus 3 sine x.
No,
Yeah,
this,
okay.
this will go this side, this will go that side. Doubt is there?
No.
Hey boys, doubt is there.
No, sir.
Now where this 4 will go, denominator 4? Where the 4 goes?
Numerator.
Numerator.
So 10. Now anybody can tell me what to do, especially Keshav, you tell what to do. Divide by x.
X.
Divide by x. Then answer will come. 10x by,
3x or sin cube x in the question?
doubt is there?
So is that sin 3x or sin cube x?
Here sine cube x. From here we found the value of sine cube x. Shall I help you more? So
No.
sine cube x on left side and sine 3x on the right side. Is it very difficult? What is sine cube x value? Is it not this one only I wrote? Himanshu, am I writing ulta pulta? Give some reply. Not understood means I will teach again. Himanshu, not there. Who was having doubt this one? Have you understood or shall I proceed or not?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, now, so I told you here we divide by x, numerator as well as.
Denominator.
So what I should write? 10x by
X.
minus sin x by
X.
x. Here sin x by x. Here sin 3x by
X.
x. But student, to use the formula, here we can use the formula 10x by x, how much?
1.
1.
Here I can use the formula. Here also I can use the formula. Yes. Here
Yes.
also, but answer is not coming now. Okay. Here also I can use the
Sir,
formula,
the last case you can't use
but here I cannot use. What is the problem?
because
3x.
sin
3.
3x.
Both has to be same now. So I will write
Same.
one 3 here and 3 here. Now it is okay.
Yes, sir.
Correct now.
You can do it.
I did the adjustment. Everywhere I divide by x, but here I divide by 3x and wrote 3 because 3 will get cancelled. Girls, are you understanding?
But why only for that term?
Hey, sin 3x is there now, student.
But is it possible to only apply for that term, like dividend?
It is
Okay,
possible.
yes, sir. Okay, nothing, sir. Nothing.
Here I divide by 3 and multiply by 3 now.
Okay, yes, sir.
And as a whole limit, I have to find separately now. Algebra of limit means what? Find this separate, this separate, this separate, this separate. But I think answer we are not getting. Some mistake is there. Put what I should
Sir,
write? 4.
3x.
Oh, you are getting
4
it.
here. What? How much?
Okay.
How much we get here?
1, 1, 0. So we're getting 0.
That only. Here, how much we are getting?
1. So 1 minute, sir.
1.
1 minute.
Isn't
Is
it
it
3 sin
minus
x?
1 or
Should
1?
be Z.
What is the answer? You tell me 0. What is the answer here? 10x by x.
1.
Hey, you don't
1.
have you not remember the
1,
formula?
sir.
1
1.
minus
1, sir.
here,
1 minus 1, 0.
1 and here 1 minus
1.
here 1.
3.
3
So now
It will be 3, sir.
it will be 0. 3 only we
minus
got.
2.
So it will be 0 only, but I think again I wrote the question wrong because everything else is correct. If you write here answer, I wrote as 1 by 2.
Sir,
How 1
maybe
by 2 will-
answer. There might be some mistake.
1 by 2, how it will come? I don't know.
It's
But
0, sir.
answer is 0 only. This is 0 only, no problem. Here 4, 0 answer. I don't know why I wrote 1 by 2, but this answer is 0. Copy down. I have to check again.
Sir,
Tell
that
me.
3x minus
You
sin,
haven't written 3 sin x.
then why isn't it 3 sin x minus sin 3x?
3 sin x somewhere.
Yes,
it
sir.
should
Yes,
be
sir.
3
yes, sir,
sin
yes,
x
yeah.
minus.
Here 3 sin x na. So
But still, it won't help.
then more problem comes na. Then it is
Yes.
0 by 0 again. So we are doing
Still
ulta
it
pulta
won't
only.
help.
So no purpose is solved. Is it 0 by, if it is 3 here, then what is this? 0 by 0 by.
So that's why here you have to divide by
Till here it is okay. Now
sin
tell me.
x.
Till here it is okay. Now tell me what to do. So if you put
Sir, here also I think we should, sir,
hmm,
we should not use the formula. I think so. We should divide by sin x.
we can get the answer.
Then only I think we can at least come. I really don't know, sir. I'm just telling because this way we are not getting.
So we can write tan x as sin x by cos x and
This is
Yeah,
not
that's
working.
what.
Here only
That's
problem is
what.
there.
This one work. Here of from the first step problem is there.
What to write? 10x by sin cube x minus sin x by
Sin cube.
sin cube x. So it will become limit x tends to 0 sin x by cos x sin cube x minus 1 by sin square x. Sin x cancel. Don't copy. Again, some mistake can be there. 1 by cos x sin square x minus 1 by sin square x. So now
LCM.
limit x tends to 0, LCM what? Cos x sine square x. So
Still
1
we are
minus
1 minus cos.
cos x.
cos square x sine. Sir, we are getting now.
1 minus cos x,
I
how
think
much,
it's not.
student? 1 minus cos x?
2 sine square x.
2 sine square x. Huh?
Sine square x by 2.
2 sine square x by 2.
Okay.
2 sine square x by 2. Okay. And here cos x. Anybody know what is sin x formula? Sub multiple angle sin x formula? Sub multiple angle? A sub multiple angle. Sin theta what, student? Sub multiple?
1 minus cos
Sir,
x by 2.
2 sine theta by 2
Very
cos
good.
theta by 2.
Some multiple you forgot. 2 sine x by 2 cos x by 2 whole square. People, what is sine 2 theta? 2 sine theta cos theta. So what is sine theta by that? 2 theta will change to theta. Theta will change to? Keshav, have you forgotten this formula?
So I used another relation, sir.
Okay, but this is the formula or not? By this,
It is.
this 2 factor will get cancelled.
Yes, sir. It is the formula.
Priyanka, have you understood how I got this one? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by
Yes,
2?
sir.
In
Yes,
the
sir.
place of sin x, I wrote sub multiple angle. Now what I can write further? We got the answer now. So what I can write? Limit x tends to 0. Tell fast. 2 sin square x by 2. Denominator, tell me fast. 4 sin square x by 2 cos square x by 2. Cancel, cancel. In the place of x, put 0. What you will get? 1 by 2. 2 and 4 will get cancelled. This will become 1. This will also become 1. Copy down. If you say, I will do again this sum. If you say, I will do this sum again. Shall I do this sum again? No reply you will give.
No need.
No need. Shall I erase the board?
Sir, 2 minutes, sir.
So many sums are there. How to do so many sums? Don't know. Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Next sum, very quickly. Shall I do the next sum? Shall I give the next sum as homework? Similar type of sum. Shall I give a homework? Limit y tends to 0. X plus y secant x plus y minus x secant x by y. Answer for this is x tan x secant x plus secant x. Do you want this sum as homework or shall I do now only? Give some reply.
Sir, we'll try.
You try this as homework. Next sum, limit x tends to 0, bracket sine alpha plus beta x plus sine alpha minus beta x sine 2 alpha x by all of these sums from R.D. Sharma only. Cos square beta x minus cos square alpha x. Answer is 2 alpha minus 2 alpha by alpha square minus beta square. Now tell me, what about this sum? Will you want this sum as homework or shall I do?
Sir, alpha, sir,
One is
without
all-
considering 2
First-
alpha, sir, alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta are in AP.
Don't know. Alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta are in AP. Correct. But okay, that way you want to do.
Yes, sir. Then we can use 2 sin x cos 2 sin
2 sine beta by 2 sine beta. Sine n beta by 2 by 2 sine beta by 2. Some formula is there now, you're saying.
Yes, sir.
Without that also it will work. Keshav is saying something. Shall I do this sum or not?
Second one you can do, sir.
I can do.
I think we need to do.
Okay, second one I'll help. What to do now? Tell me. Second one. Tell what is the step. Shall I use CD formula transformation?
Square.
Don't want transformation.
Yes, sir. You can.
Tell
Right,
transformation.
right.
What is sin C plus sin D? How much? Sin
2.
C plus sin D. 2 sin.
2 sin A plus B by 2.
Tell me what I should write. Alpha x plus beta x. I can write directly also. Alpha x minus beta x by 2. This is sin C plus D by 2. Next is what? Cos C minus D by 2. Shall I write directly? What will come?
Yes, sir. You can.
How much will come? If you subtract these 2 and divide by 2, you'll get
Sir,
beta by x,
2.
beta x only now.
Yes, sir. You get beta x.
Directly write down. And if anybody needs, I can explain in detail. So simple sum, I think. Denominator, what I should do? Nothing I should do.
Sir,
Cos
cos.
square.
Sir, cos. Sir,
Cos A plus cos.
right? Sir, it's a formula actually. Sin A plus B into, plus sin. No. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B.
That way formula is there.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Correct. Okay, we'll do. We will disturb this later. I think some of you have doubt till here also. CD formula, student. Limit x tends to 0. What will the changes here? 2 sin. What I should write, student? Beta x cancel. Alpha x by 2. What? 2 sin alpha x. Then here cos beta x. Then here, it tells if something. What I should do? Here, what is there? Sin 2.
Alpha.
2 alpha.
Shall I use multiple angle?
Alpha x.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What I should write? 2 sin alpha x beta x. Please stop me if you're getting doubt. Here I will use now a square plus b square. A square minus b square what? A plus b and a minus b. Bhushan, we can do this way also.
Yes, sir.
Identity is there now, a square minus b square. I can understand that one factor is getting cancelled from numerator. Something wrong I wrote here. 2 sin a cos a. Okay. Now it is correct. Sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. What is common now, student? Common from numerator. What is common? Nothing is common in numerator.
2 sin
Cos beta.
Cos beta x plus cos alpha x. This factor is going to get cancel. But answer will not get now. We'll see what will happen. Cos beta x minus cos alpha x. So this will get cancel. So now what we have? 2 sin alpha x. I thought that this will get cancelled, but no. Have we done correctly? Beta x minus beta x. Cos beta x.
Sir, till we have 2 sin alpha.
Cos
x,
alpha
sir.
x.
Hello, sir.
I'm listening. Tell me.
Is there any possibility to use any submultiple or multiple angle formula in the numerator?
Limit x tends to 0. Okay. Now, student, what is the problem? Okay, copy down this much and ask me doubt till here only. Then we'll do. Till here, if anybody has doubt, please ask me. Nobody has doubt, I will start proceeding now. Is there anyone who has doubt?
No doubt.
Now tell me what can be the probable step now. Because denominator is becoming 0. Can you identify denominator is becoming? If you put,
Multiplying cos beta x plus alpha.
if you multiply with that, again you will get back this only, na?
Okay, yeah.
So don't do that. If you, in the place of x you put 0, this will become 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So now what you do? Shall we use CD formula? Shall we use CD formula?
Yes, sir, we can.
Here use the half angle. Half angle will work. No, no. Shall we use some multiple angle here? No use. What is the use of that? Some multiple. Some mistake will be there. Okay. Here beta is not there. No. Okay. Here beta x alpha
The
x.
cos A and cos B formula, sir.
Question
Transformation.
is,
Sir, I think we should use that result only.
answer is alpha square minus beta square.
Sir, I think we should use cos square beta x minus cos square alpha x is equal to sin beta plus alpha x.
That will work.
Yes, sir. I think that only.
That only will work actually. We did mistake here. What is cos C minus cos D? Anybody knows cos C minus cos D? Nobody knows. Hey, cos C minus cos D, do you know? No.
Minus sine.
Minus 2
Minus 2
sine.
Sine.
Correct? Na? Minus 2 sine.
Yes, sir. Sin beta
C
x
plus D by
2.
2 sine C minus D by 2. Full doubt? Do you have doubt in cos C minus cos D? No, sir. Very good. Now what to do? Now I will adjust. What to adjust? This 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So I will write limit x tends to 0 sine alpha x. How to treat this? How to do this work? Sine alpha x. What to do now? Divide by
Alpha.
Yeah.
alpha x multiply with,
Alpha x.
so that we
Alpha
can
x.
use the formula. Are you understanding or not? Here sine beta plus alpha x by 2. With what I should divide and multiply?
So where
Tell
is
me.
the minus, sir?
Minus will be there. So
Minus will go up.
with what I should divide here? Beta plus alpha x by 2. What I should divide?
Beta plus alpha x.
Beta plus alpha.
X by 2. Don't get
Yes.
have confidence in doing, then you will get the answer. For this, how to adjust for this? Beta minus alpha x by 2. Tell me. Divide by, for this separately now.
And,
Beta
yes, sir,
minus
that-
alpha by 2x and then multiply also, na? Beta minus alpha. Okay. Now what happened? I will find the limit separately. I will find the limit separately. Almost we got the answer, but then also 2x are there now. That is the creating problem. Here also 2, here sine square should come. Have we done some mistake before? Sine square was not coming here. Just check the previous
No,
result.
sir.
Are we getting
No.
sine square? No. Almost we got the answer, but this x is creating problem now here. Here 2x are there.
Sir, so what, sir? Just
No.
check.
This will,
sir, once.
this will
Like,
become how
once
much?
solve the question.
Just check once.
This will
We may have got somewhere sine square here. I think so. Strongly, I will
Sine
believe.
square.
Strongly, I believe we may have got somewhere here sine square before. Just check once. I have erased that one. So this will become 1. This also will become 1. This also will become 1. So how much answer will get? We'll get limit x tends to 0 minus alpha x by beta plus alpha by 2. I will do this sum again then. What to do? Beta minus alpha by 2x. 1x will get cancelled and we get minus 2 alpha by alpha square minus beta square, but one x is there. That is the problem. That x should not come. See where x will get cancelled.
Previous, I guess it would be 2 into sine square alpha x plus cos beta x.
Somewhere
Cos.
we have to get sine square. I don't know where.
So won't it be 4 alpha because there are two 2's in the denominator? Alpha plus beta by 2 and alpha minus beta by 2. So there'll be
4 will be there. 4 will be there here. Okay, so what we'll do this sum again. Almost correct, but some mistake is there still. We'll do this sum again. Maybe if a different method will do. Limit x tends to 0. Sine alpha plus beta x plus sine alpha minus beta x sine 2 alpha x by cos square beta x minus cos square alpha x. Proceed. What can be the first step, student? Tell me. Any idea?
Sir, wait, sir.
Sir,
Tell.
sir, as the result is in, sir, if we open everything,
Shall you change this into sine and sine? You're saying that only now.
yes, sir.
Much use will be not there, student. We get alpha plus
Sir,
beta,
we
alpha
can
minus
divide
beta.
each term. We can divide each term
Each term by,
by the denominator itself, sir.
but here,
Sir, that result we know, sir. Sine.
somewhere here square term will come. We are wasting time actually. Somewhere square term will come here. How square term will come? That is not getting answer. Square, how it will come? Okay, once again we'll do here. Shall I open the by compound angle? Shall I do this?
Yes, sir. Try that.
Shall we do by compound angle? So sine alpha x cos beta x plus cos alpha x sine beta x plus same thing will come then. No use. Compound angle also same thing. Sine alpha x cos beta x minus sine alpha beta x, something wrong now. Sine alpha x cos beta x 2 sine, same thing will come. Sine alpha x cos alpha x by
So you are again making a
same
mistake.
thing we are doing. But will not do fully.
Sir,
This thing will get cancelled. Same thing comes. Limit x tends to 0. 2 sine alpha x cos beta x plus 2 sine alpha x cos alpha x. Alpha x by 2 cos beta x by 2. Cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d. A square plus b square. Okay, something is getting something very wrong. 2 sine, 2 sine.
Sir, what's the actual answer?
Answer is 2 alpha by alpha square minus beta square. Actually, we are doing correctly only now. What is the problem?
so cos alpha x sine beta x and sine alpha x cos beta x. How are they getting cancelled?
Somebody will get cancelled here. I wrote wrong then. It will be cos alpha x sine beta x.
So,
Sir,
Can we
I
actually we
think
common
got
the
the
2
I
sine
I
alpha
und
x?
no,
sir. We actually got the answer in
yes,
the previous solution, sir.
How?
Sir, there it was like, sir, I think the sign was mistake, sir, because at the denominator we got alpha plus beta. Okay, yeah, there 4x is there. Sorry.
4x, no. One x was getting extra. I don't know why x was getting extra. X should not get extra. Everything was correct. One x was extra. See here, we did like this way: cos beta minus cos alpha x. So if we took common, limit x tends to 0, 2 sine alpha x common. So we'll get cos beta x plus cos alpha x by cos beta x plus cos alpha x cos beta x minus cos alpha x,
Sir, I
and
think it's
this will get
minus.
cancel.
Sir, I think it's minus 2 sine. Sir, minus sine 2 alpha x. Then only we can do.
Where?
In the question, if it is minus 2, sir, minus sine 2 alpha x.
Maybe I have written the question wrong. Maybe
sir,
that is a thing.
sir.
It's quite possible.
Or else, why can't we take minus sign common out in the denominator?
Sometimes I write the question wrong. Maybe here minus will be there because this is only the factor which is creating problem. We'll see once more. Now what we can do? You are saying something. Limit x tends to 0, 2 sine alpha x by here cos beta x minus cos alpha x.
So is it not possible to take minus sign common only in denominator?
No, minus is not a problem. We are getting correct answer. The problem was x. Here also now again we'll get one extra x, student. That was the problem actually. Minus is not the problem. Minus we are getting correctly only because we are getting beta square minus alpha square. So minus was not a problem. Okay, so again if you do same thing will come now.
Sir, divide all terms with cos alpha x.
Cos alpha x. So what is the use then? Here some problem will be there. No, what we can do best at the best? What we can do?
At the best, we can do this question only, sir.
1 minute I will think, then I will leave.
20 minutes.
Not waste actually, but can we use alpha x by 2 cos alpha x by 2? No use. Beta x by 2, no use. Cos c minus cos d. Copy till here. I think after this we have to see. We'll do next sum now. Hello, you're not there? Keshav?
Yes, sir.
I am there, sir.
Okay, you're there. Okay, so leave this question. We'll try next day, tomorrow. Okay, next sum now. Next sum is limit h tends to 0, a plus h whole square sine a plus h minus a square sine a by h. What about this sum? Answer for this is a square cos a plus 2a sine a. Two options. Will you try this sum or shall I do now only?
Sir, do now itself.
Now itself. Good. So limit h tends to 0, a plus h whole square sine a plus h minus a square sine a by h. Write down till here. Limit h tends to 0. Any idea, any suggestion what to do? No idea, no suggestion. Open the bracket. A plus
Open the bracket.
a square b square 2ab. Here what to do? Sine a plus h. Again use compound angle. It may help. Sine a cos h plus cos a sin h minus a square sin a by h. Till here, if somebody has doubt, please ask me. Okay.
No doubts.
Then what to do? Nothing we can do. Open the bracket. That only we can do. Limit h tends to 0. A square sin a. It will become lengthy. Then. Okay. A square. There can be easy method. No easy method. No. A plus h will take. As
If we take it as x or y,
okay, we'll proceed. So a square sin a cos h, a square cos a sin h, then h square sin a cos h plus h square cos a sin h plus 2ah sin a cos h plus 2ah cos a sin h minus a square sin a by h. Just open the bracket, that much only. It is lengthy, but there is no other option now. We have to open the bracket. Have you completed till here? Have you completed till here?
No, sir.
Okay, just open the bracket, take your time, no problem. Is it over till here, Priyanka?
Yes, sir.
Now what to do, tell me. Shall we distribute the denominator? Shall we distribute the denominator? If we distribute the denominator, how much we'll get? A square
by h square.
sin a cos h by h, then a square cos a sin h by h, below this by this, h square sin a cos h by h, then next term h square cos a sin h by h. Yeah, why 2 times this came? This term is arriving 2 times. No, sin cos a sin, different, both are different. Then 2ah cos a sin h by h, 2ah cos a sin h by h minus a square sin a by h. Everywhere distribute the denominator. Is it over till here? Is it over till here? No answer.
No, sir. I need to still write.
Distribute the denominator. Then find the limit separately. Limit h tends to 0, a square sin a cos h, lengthy sum, by h plus limit h tends to 0, a square cos a sin h by h, separate limit will find. Limit h tends to 0, h square sin a cos h by h, limit h tends to 0, h square
Sir,
cos a sin h by h. Huh?
in above step, did you miss any term?
Huh. So above step, some terms are missing. Are you
One
saying?
term
Are you saying
I think is missing, sir.
how? Which
Yes,
one?
I think
Which
one term
one?
is missing.
1,
What
2,
you have written
3,
that
4, 5,
2a.
6, 7. 1, 2,
No, no, no,
3,
no, no.
4, 5, 6. Some term is missing. A square.
2ah cos a
Uh,
sin
So
huh,
h. So it
2ah
will be
sin
plus.
cos h.
some term is missing. This one. 2ah cos a sin h. This is missing. 2ah 2ah sin a cos h by h. Then it is correct. And no. Oh, 2a h sin a. Okay, this is that 2ah sin a cos h. That I wrote 2ah. Correct. Now everything is there. A square sin a by h. All terms are there. Maybe their order has changed, but terms are there. Plus 2a limit. Find separately what we can do. 2ah sin a cos h by h minus limit h tends to 0. A square sin a by h.
Sir, there is cancellation possible.
So now what happened?
In
Till here, if it is over, you ask, you tell me, you inform me, then I will proceed. Girls, have you completed till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, limit h tends to, if you put here h is equal to 0 in the first term, how much you will get?
Infinity.
Infinity. So we will not apply the limit here. We write as it is. Here what will happen? Sin h by h, how much in the second term?
1.
1. A, we don't have to apply limit. Now h only we have to apply limit. So answer is a square cos a. This way the second term will reduce. Third term, student, 1h will get cancelled. And in the place of h, what you have to substitute?
0.
So the entire term will become
0.
0. Here also 1h will get cancelled. In the place of h, put 0. So entire term will become 0. Here also h will get cancelled. In the place of h, sin h, you put 0. Again you will get 0 only. Third term h and h will get cancelled. Third term h and h will get cancelled. And in the place of h, if you put 0, what you will get? What you will get? 2a sin a. H get cancelled. In the place of h, you put 0. Cos 0 is 1. And the last term will be there. Minus limit h tends to 0. A square sin a by h. Student, many terms will become 0. Many terms means 3 terms will become 0. Okay, till here if you have doubt, you can ask me. And here we have found the limit no h. Here also no h. So no problem. Only limit is there in the first and last one.
Sir, a square sin a is clean, like no changes there in that, right? So that we can factor it out, right?
So now what happened? We have to deal with the first term and the last term together. So see, when we can algebra of limit, when we can separate the limit, we can take common also now. Algebra of limit means what? Find separately.
Yes,
so we can combine also. So combine means what will come? Limit h tends to 0. What will come, student? A square sin a cos h by a. A is there? H is there here. H minus a square sin a. And here already we have applied the limit. A cos a plus 2a sin a. Student, if any question is there, you ask me, then only I can help you. Now, Now tell me how to solve this limit. In numerator, what is common, student, in numerator? A square sine A common, and there is no h, so it will go outside. Limit h tends to 0, cos h minus 1 by h, and here a square cos A plus 2 sine A. How to solve cos h minus 1?
Will it not be 1?
Anybody knows what is cos h minus 1? Formula.
Minus
1.
sine square h by 2. Yes, sir. Minus 2 sine square h by 2.
Square don't want, no?
Sir, we can then.
If it comes to sine square, denominator is no, then it will become 0 now. What to do? Correct only. H by 2, it will become 0. No, it will not become 0. It will become infinity. Okay, no problem. We can do in one way. Do you know the series of cos h? What is series of cos h? One of you tell.
X.
1 minus x square.
One of you see the series quotient and tell me what is the series of cos h. One of you tell see the series and tell me. It is 1 minus h square by 2 factorial plus h to power 4 by 4 factorial minus h to power 6 by 6 factorial. This way it will continue, and here it is what? Minus 1 by h. This is only best. Now what will happen to this minus 1 and this 1?
It's subtracted.
Subtract, and h will get
Cancelled.
cancel, and in the place of h, whatever remaining h are there, you have to put what?
0.
0. So how much you will get?
0 only, sir.
0 only will get. And what is the answer then? Answer is a square cos A plus 2a sin A. This is only best. We can do this sum in one more way. After this, we can do in one more way. If you say, I will do that way. Here I have used the concept of series. Cos h series is this one. Plus 1, minus 1 cancel. Girls, shall I do it differently?
I have a doubt.
Tell me, what doubt?
So from the below the second last.
Here 0 how came?
No, sir, the 2a sin A.
2a?
In that line only 2a sin A.
Here how this came?
Yes, sir.
H cancel na.
Okay.
So what will come? 2a sin A. In the place of cos h, what you should put?
0. Yeah.
Cos 0 how much?
1.
So we'll get 2 sin A only na. 2a sin A.
Yes, thank you.
Do we still have time or time up?
Sir, time up actually.
So now what happened? I will give some homework some then. Lengthy sum this one. Homework sum write down if you want to do. Limit x tends to pi by 6 cot square x minus 3 by cosecant x minus 2. Answer is 4. Shall I do this now only? Next is limit x tends to pi by 4 root 2 minus cos x minus sin x by 4x minus pi whole square. Answer is 1 by 16 root 2. Next one, limit x tends to pi 1 minus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2, all trigonometric limits, cos x by 4 minus sin x by 4. Answer root 2. One last sum write down, trigonometric limit. Then trigonometric will be over. limit x tends to 3 pi by 2, 1 plus cosecant cube x by cot cube x. Answer is minus 3 by 2. These 4 sums are homework. Anybody need any help here? Are you there or not, students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any sum I do? Shall I do now only any sum among this?
So we also have to try something, no, sir.
You do it now. Who is stopping? Adi Sharma is there now. Do. So
We'll try this.
we'll
4
meet
or 5
tomorrow and complete this sum and come. Don't simply come and tell not
Yes,
coming
sir.
and all. Shall I
Thank you,
erase the board?
Just a minute.
Use some formulas, a cube, b cube, this way, trigonometric formula, something use and do. Here also cot square x minus 1, you can do something. Think how to do it. Or you can write cot square x as cosecant square x minus 1. Then I think, then it will work. Minus 1 will become minus 4. Then a square minus b square you can do. Are you understanding it?
Yes, sir.
Here, here what to do? Root 2 minus what to do? Here I think substitution you have to do. Put x minus pi by 4 as, hello?
40.
Are you there?
X minus pi by 4 as h.
As t you do, that will work. I think here x minus pi something you do. X minus pi is equal to t. I think that will work. Here you do x minus 3 pi by 2 is equal to t. Maybe work, but not working means you use other method. Shall I erase the board?
Yes, sir.
People, you
Yes,
have to do
sir.
sincere effort. Simply not coming means how I can help. I will help only, but there is no learning for you people. Okay, thank you then. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
And that sum
Thank
I will
you.
check what is the problem in that sum. Okay.